Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Huge Unreal Engine 6 news just dropped. Basically, for all of those who don't know, at the 2026 Rocket League Championship Series in Paris, Epic Games just dropped a new Rocket League trailer showcasing that the game was made on a new engine. Here you can see some of the graphics of the new game here, but at the end of the trailer they showcase the brand new Unreal Engine 6 logo. Now while we still don't have an official release date for Unreal Engine 6, Tim Sweeney, the CEO of Epic Games, said that the current timeline of release was sometime around 2027 to 2028, and we are expecting a new Unreal Engine version release 5.8 in June next month. Then eventually later on in the year we'll have 5.9 sometime this fall, and that could actually line up the next release to either be Unreal Engine version 5.10 in 2027, or maybe Epic will do something completely different and just completely switch to Unreal Engine 6. I mean, with the jump of Unreal Engine 4 to UE5, not much was immediately different, especially in the early access version of Unreal Engine 5.0, so I don't think it's that much of a stretch if they actually just take Unreal Engine 5 and roll it over to UE6 with some improvements and new features. Or I could just be completely wrong and we could still be waiting a couple more years till UE6 comes out. Either way, we don't know much about UE6 other than a few bits of information said about it from Tim Sweeney on the podcast, where he mentioned that it's supposed to bridge the gap between traditional UE5 and the Unreal editor for Fortnite, using Verse as the new proprietary programming language of the engine. Now the trailer has only been out for about 40 minutes, but people are already sharing their thoughts online, with one user saying UE6 is set to release somewhere between 2027 to 2028, so this feels like a whole bunch of nothing right now. Sure, the clip that they showed looked cool, but what about performance, for example? I don't know, consider me a skeptic until proven otherwise. And then of course people saying that 2027 is obviously next year, and that a game running on UE6 can release before the public release of the engine. Also, some other users are speculating that this is why 5.9 isn't released on the roadmap, because they're going to release UE6, with a user saying that explains the lack of UE 5.9 on the roadmap. There is usually a section for future stuff, but it got removed with the release of 5.8. Also, another user shared that, isn't this a typo? It barely feels like UE5 has started to get widespread adoption. It seems weird to move to a new version so early in its lifespan. And of course, people are replying saying they often give tools to move from one engine version to another, and they likely want to drop the association with Unreal Engine and unoptimized games. It's more of a business move than a necessity. Anyways, I'm excited to hear your guys' thoughts on this. Is Epic Games just jumping the gun on this? Are they trying to create some sort of hype around UE6? Or do you think that the engine is actually in development and in some sort of state to develop the new game Rocket League? Let me know down in the comments down below. Do you want to learn Unreal Engine 5 by actually making games? In this course, you won't just watch tutorials, you'll build full real projects step by step, a 2.5D Crossy Road style game, an obstacle course game, a 3D puzzle platformer, and a full zombie first person shooter game from scratch. You'll learn things like blueprints, gameplay systems, UI, AI enemies, weapons, and real optimization techniques used in real projects. Every project that we create runs at 100 plus FPS on the Steam Deck at native resolution, no upscalers, and by the end of this course you'll have 4 playable games and the skills to start creating your own. You can pick up the course right now at a special launch discount. Make sure that you grab it soon as the price will increase later on. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to start building your very first game today.